there a better place to relax away from the city center than Hotel Molo Resort on Zalu Beskidzki? The facility recently underwent a major renovation, and how did the Feltdecor solutions work out there? I was wondering, why did you decide to use felt panels for the specific arrangement of the hotel rooms right here?
We chose your solution because we wanted uniqueness, and this solution gave us many possibilities. Working together with you and the architect, we were able to carefully select the colors and textures, which allowed us to seamlessly integrate this solution into our interiors and customize it to meet our specific needs.
Usually we design interiors partly based on improving the acoustics, but here the goal was a bit different. Can you tell us more about what we wanted to achieve with this arrangement?
It's a remarkably strong and striking decorative accent. We carefully used it throughout all our hotel rooms, which successfully created a truly cohesive and harmonious whole. Our primary goal was to create a warm, cozy interior so that every single guest would feel completely comfortable and at ease while staying here. We wanted every tiny detail to be perfectly refined, especially the TV wall, which is unfortunately overlooked in many other hotels. In this specific case, high-quality felt materials were used, which allowed us to beautifully highlight this wall and give it a unique texture. Ultimately, it turned out to be one of the more interesting elements in this interior.
It's definitely something different than ordinary wallpaper or stucco. The entire facility is so unique that we're even more pleased that our Feltdecor solution could fit into this place. We invite everyone to visit Molo Resort. We'll include a link to the hotel's website in the project description.